Adding a DNS record in Cloudflare is actually very simple, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is log into your Cloudflare account. After logging in, I want you to find the domain that you want to add the DNS record for. Once you find that, I want you to navigate to DNS, which is on the sidebar of the web page. Once you click on DNS, you're going to scroll down and you see a button that says add record. That's where you add your DNS record. Once you click on that button, it's going to ask you for a type, so you decide which type you want to add. You can add a CNAME, you can add a text, TXT file, you can add a URI, and you put in the necessary information. And once you're done, you click on save, and you're going to wait a few minutes for it to propagate. After it propagates, it's going to show here at the top of this list. And that's how you add a DNS record in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.